Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting the essentials done fast. Check you have 8 GB RAM and a compatible GPU, then install Unbound Beauty Motion and required codecs. Once installed, open your project and import your footage. Make sure frame rate and color space match your timeline so results remain consistent. Now add the Unbound Beauty effect to a clip, scrub to a neutral frame, and enable preview. These first steps put you directly into the creative controls, without wasting time on trivial setup. Once the effect is applied, focus on refinement. Start with strength and smooth at low increments because small changes have big visual impact. Use texture to reintroduce detail selectively and create masks to isolate faces or areas. Feather edges between 20 and 40 pixels for natural blends. Next, enable motion tracking so your adjustments follow movement. Stabilize if the clip is shaky. As you tweak, toggle bypass to compare. These detailed middle steps shape a believable, motion-safe enhancement. Finish by rendering a short full-quality segment to inspect for artifacts and ensure motion looks natural. You'll want to fine-tune midtones and color matching so skin tones remain realistic. Use subtle color correction layers above Unbound Beauty if necessary. Once satisfied, render the final output with the timeline's native codec. If you see ghosting or oversmoothing, reset parameters and reapply with lower strength or reduce the mask area. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.